Is Tessa going to say bye-bye to her babies today? Yeah. Going to play with your babies, Tessa? Hey, that's it. Go play with your babies.
Yeah, go play. Go play. It's adorable. Are you going to go through? Oh, Tessa! Hi!
Oh, here comes another one.
Oh,
you know, these two are just jumping all over each other.
Oh, a puppy just came through, Tamsin.
Already?
Just about came through.
Nope, go that way. Tamsin, call us. There you go. Good girl, puppy dog.
Come on, good girl.
There's another one there, Tamsin.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, but call him. Oh, he went back.